Happy Sabbath, everyone. It's August 24, 2024, and it's a beautiful Saturday morning. So let's give thanks for all the blessings na nasa buhay natin at mga blessings na darating pa din kasama ng mga pagsubok, mga challenges, and mga trials ng buhay natin which makes our life more beautiful, wonderful, and exciting. At syempre doon sa mga taong tumulong sa atin during our trials, pasalamatan natin sila. Kasama na din doon yung mga taong nakikimarites lang din doon sa paligid natin. Shoutout ng kay Glenda, kay Glenn Snow, kay Pucci, kay Margie Crane, Cecil Boris, Mama Lu, Luis and Susan, Jordan and Judith Sasil ng Ulwa, Cagayan de Oro City, Ina Janet Panaag, and Aldi Calvadores ng Malay-Malay Bukidnon, Henry Carlim and Dana Medina, Joel and Hani Pistolante and family, Michael and Michelle Lomongo and family, Jima David, Inday Araso, Elizabeth Guevara, Mabel Andres, Angie Sarmiento, Ruby Cortez, Rachel Pistolero, at Kids My Love. Request of the day natin po is your deeds and your relationship with your fellow man is a much better picture of the faith compared towards uttered. Keep that in mind po. Thank you for following, liking, sharing, and subscribing to these videos. Good morning and have a blessed Saturday, everyone.